Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to pin DaVinci Resolve to your taskbar on Windows 11. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So if you're a user of DaVinci Resolve and you don't want to have it on your desktop because you want to keep your desktop clean like mine here, as you can see, and just would like to have it pinned to your taskbar for quick access, then all you have to do is just go ahead and find it on your computer by clicking the start button here and simple search for DaVinci, as you see I'm doing here. Then open up the application. Now once the application loads up, it is very easy to pin that to your taskbar, and as you can see it's already starting to run. So right here immediately I can just simply go ahead and right click on that application here on the taskbar and simply click pin to taskbar, and it is pinned there. So I can always go ahead and I can move it around wherever I want. I will put it just beside the CapCut up here, and then that's it. So at any point in time, once I close that out, you can see that it's still on my taskbar and I can have it for quick access to open it here directly from my taskbar, which makes it so easy to quickly open this amazing video editor, DaVinci Resolve 19. And that's it guys, that's how to basically pin DaVinci Resolve to your taskbar on Windows 11. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.